Hello, you have three loops, while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Which loop to use? You can use a for loop, a while loop, or a do while loop, whichever is convenient. The while loop and do while loop are easier to understand for the beginners. But when you learn the for loop after some practice, you will quickly appreciate it. The for loop places control variables, initialization, loop continuation condition, and adjustment after each iteration all together. So this is very clear, you see at the head of the for loop. So the major parts of your control is right here at the beginning. And then the body is after the for statement. The while loop and for loop are called pre-test loop. So you have to first test the condition before you can even execute the loop once. And the do while loop is called a post-test loop. It is executed at least once and then test the loop continuation condition to decide whether you can continue or not. All these loops are expressively equivalent. They have the same power. You can write the code in one loop and rewrite it using another loop. So let's look at this from the while loop to for loop. Here's the while loop, while continuation condition. So you can convert this into a for loop as follows. So here you put the continuation condition in the middle, and you can have nothing for the initial action and for the action after each iteration. So this is the while loop, and put the body right here. You can convert a for loop into a while loop. This is the for loop into while loop like this, first performing initial action, and then this is the loop continuation condition right here, and this is the loop body, and afterwards put this action after each iteration right after it. So this is the for loop, and this is the while loop. So please note that it's a common mistake. Users put the semicolon right after if. This will have this body is outside this for loop. This is the for loop is terminated right here. So this is equivalent to you have an empty body like this. Same thing here for the while loop. Don't put the semicolon here. If you put it here, and then you just detach the body. So this is now becoming the end of the while loop. So this is the while loop has the empty body, like this. For the while loop, you need to have the semicolon at the end. That is all for this section on which loop to use. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.